everyone, it's Missy, and I'm just here to share with you an idea that I got. I watch a lot of Dollar Tree videos about how they do Dollar Tree gift baskets, but I never ever see anybody do like Family Dollar or even Dollar General that much, so I decided to do a Dollar General gift basket idea for you. It's a baking gift basket, but you could honestly do any kind of gift basket that you want. And the first thing, of course, you're going to need is a basket. I didn't have one, so I purchased this one at the Dollar General for $2. Also, you could use like a Tupperware or you could use like a mixing bowl. They also had a cute plastic bowl that had snowmen around the edge that was $2.50. But I just decided on this. And if you have a basket at home that you can use, that's perfect. And then all I'm going to do is I have this felt tree skirt left over from last year's Christmas clearance sale. Otherwise, you can use tissue paper, you can use gift wrap, whatever you need to fill the container. And then I purchased these pot holders. They were $1 each and they have cute dogs on it with the Christmas trees. I got a regular pot holder and then I got an oven mitt. So I'm just going to put those in the back of my gift basket. So if you're just looking to fill the gift basket, $1 each, we're up to $2. And then I purchased, they had the sugar cookie mix in the holiday aisle. This was $2 for the package. So I'm going to put that right in the middle. So we have $4 worth of items in there. And then I found these cute cookie cutters to go with the sugar cookie mix. And this was $1, and I think there's about 6 of them in there. So I'm just going to place them off to the side. I'm probably going to open that up and disperse them around the basket, but for now I'm just going to do that. And then to go along with the oven mitt theme, they also had a kitchen towel for $1, and with the same scene. They had other ones too, so that you could choose from, but I'm just going to place it right there. So now we're up to $6 of items in the basket, and that alone right there pretty much fills up the basket, and it's really cute. If you wanted to add more, they did have sprinkles. One container though is $1.50. So I thought it was a lot, so I only bought one. But you could just tuck this in right back there, you know, or you could add a Christmas ornament. I found this. It was $1 at Dollar General. These are all from Dollar General, and this kind of helps add a little bit of sparkle like that. So now really starting to look festive. And if you wanted to add even more depending on your dollar limit, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have $8.50 tied into the basket, plus the basket would be $10.50, but you could add a second package of cookie mix, and I added chocolate chip this time. Let's see if I could just get right in the back, kind of rearrange. And now you're pretty much up to about $12.50. Of course, depending on where you're at, there's going to be tax, but that is a cute baking gift basket idea that you can do. Family Dollar, I'm sure, has about the same things, but it's a nice cheap way about getting a gift basket. You can, like I said, when I was going through it, just choose your dollar limit and decide what you're going to put in your basket based on that dollar limit. And you can create a nice gift basket like you saw in the beginning with just a few items, or you can keep adding as your budget allows you to do. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.